Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 12 Part 2 Chapter 2 Accounting of Debenture. In previous lecture we already completed up to question number 15 from exercise. Today let us start question number 16. Question 16. Satyam Limited issued 12,008% debentures of rupees 100 each at par as on 1/7/17. These debentures are to be redeemed on 30/6/23 at rupees 115 per debenture. Face value of debenture is rupees 100 and when at the return redeemed at that time 115 at means premium is there. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of the company for issued and redemption of debenture without narration. Journal entry of Satyam Limited 1/7/2017. First entry, bank account 12,000 debentures into rupees 100 debited 12 lakh. To debenture application and allotment account 12 lakh. 1/7/17 debenture application and allotment account debit 12 lakh. Loss on issue of debenture account 12,000 debenture into rupees 15 because 100 face value and when at that time redeemed at that time 115 rupees is there, so 15 more, so 12,000 debentures into rupees 15 debited 1,80,000. 2. 8% debenture account 12,000 debenture into 100 rupees 12 lakh rupees. To premium on redemption of a debenture account 12,000 debenture into 15 rupees 1,80,000. Third journal entry 30/6/23. 8% debenture account debit to 12 lakh. Premium on redemption of a debenture account 1,80,000 to debenture holders 13,80,000. 30/6/2023. Debenture holder account debit 13,80,000 to bank account 13,80,000. So this way question number 16 is over. Now question number 17. On 1/4/2017, Shivam Limited issued 8,007.5% debentures of rupees 250, each at a discount of 5%. All the debentures are to be redeemed after 5 years as on 31st March 22 at a premium of 10%. Write the necessary journal entries in the books of a company without narration. First of all, answer part. Journal entries of a Shivam Limited. First entry 1/4/2017. Bank account 8,000 debenture into 237.5 debit 19 lakh. To debenture application and allotment account 19 lakh. 1/4/2017. Debenture application and allotment account debit 19 lakh. Debenture discount account 8,000 debentures into 12.5 debited 1 lakh. Loss on issue of a debenture account 8,000 debenture into 25 debited 2 lakh. To 7.5% debenture account 8,000 debentures into 250 20 lakh. To premium on redemption of a debenture account 2 lakh. 8,000 debenture into 25. 31st March 2022. 7.5% debenture account debit 20 lakh. Premium on redemption of a debenture account debit 2 lakh to debenture holders account 22 lakh. 31st March 22. Debenture holder account debit 22 lakh to bank account 22 lakh. This way question number 17 is over now. Question number 18. 1/7/2017 Sundaram Limited issued 14,008% debentures of rupees 300 each at a premium of 5%. These debentures are redeemed on 30/6/23 at rupees 330 rupees. Here debenture 8% debentures value is a 300 and at that time redemption there is a 330 rupees. Repayment is there at that time 330 rupees per debenture. It means at a premium payment on the premium. Write the necessary journal entries in the books of a company without narration. Answer part. Journal entries of Sundaram Limited. Date 1/7/2017. Bank account 14,000 debentures into 315 rupees debited 44,10,000. To debenture application and allotment account 44,10,000. 1/7/2017 debenture application and allotment account debit 44,10,000. Loss on issue of a debenture account 14,000 debentures into rupees 30 debited 4,20,000. To 8% debenture account 14,000 debentures into 342 lakh. To security premium reserve account 14,000 debentures into 15 rupees 2,10,000. To premium on redemption of a debenture account 4,20,000. 14,000 debentures into 30 rupees. 36 to 23. 8% debenture account debit 42 lakh. Premium on redemption of a debenture account debit 4,20,000. To debenture holders account 14,000 debenture into 330 rupees 46,20,000. Here we have to write 8% debentures, then 40,000 into 300, so 42 lakh, and a premium 14,000 into 30 rupees 4,20,000, and both 330 total 14,000 debenture and 330 rupees 46,20,000. And last entry 36 2023 debenture holders account debit 46,20,000 to bank account 14,000 debentures to into rupees 330 total 46,20,000. Now question number 19. On 1/7/2017, Paras Pharma Limited issued 20,000 9% debentures of rupees 400 each, are to be redeemed after 7 years at a premium of 12%. As per conditions in prospectus, the amount is payable on application rupees 125 per debenture and balance amount at the time of allotment. Pass the necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the books of the company. Answer part. Journal entries of Paras Pharma Limited. First entry, bank account debit 25 lakh to 9% debenture application account 25 lakh. Being application money received on 20,000 debentures at rupees 125 per debenture. Second, 9% debenture application account debit 25 lakh to 9% debenture account 25 lakh. Being application money on allotted 20,000 debentures transferred to debenture account. Third entry, 9% debenture allotment account debit 55 lakh, 20,000 debenture into 275, 400 minus 125. Loss on issue of a debenture account 20,000 debenture into 48 rupees. Debited 9,60,000. To 9% debenture account 55 lakh. To premium on redemption of a debenture account 9,60,000. Being amount called on 20,000 debentures at 275, 400 minus 125 per debenture and debenture to be redeemed at 12% premium. Bank account debit 55 lakh to 9% debenture allotment account 55 lakh, being receipt of allotment money. This way our question number 19 is over. Now question number 20. Star Technology Limited issued 16,000 8.5% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10% as on 1/9/2017. All the debentures are redeemable at a premium of 8% after 6 years. The amount was payable as follows. On application rupees 60 per debenture, on allotment a balance amount per debenture. So total 100 rupees is there. At that time application there is a 60 rupees and balance amount as per the allotment. So here pass necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the books of company. Answer part. Journal entries of Star Technology Limited. First entry, bank account debit 9,60,000 to 8.5% debenture application account 9,60,000. Being application money received on 16,000 debentures at rupees 60 per debenture. 8.5% debenture application account debit 9,60,000 to 8.5% debenture account 9,60,000. Being application money transferred to debenture account. Third journal entry, 8.5% debenture allotment account debit 4,80,000. Debenture discount account debit 1,60,000. Loss in issue of a debenture account debit 1,28,000. To 8.5% debenture account 6,40,000. To premium on redemption of a debenture account 1,28,000. being rupees 30 called after discount on allotment of debenture. Discount amount became rupees 10 and premium on redemption of a debenture became rupees 8 per debenture. Fourth one, bank account debit 4,80,000 to 8.5% debenture allotment account 4,80,000 being receipt of allotment money. Now, question number 21. Nupur Limited issued 16,009% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10% on 1st April 2013, redeemable on 31st March 2018. The issue was fully subscribed. The board of directors decided to transfer the required amount to debenture redemption reserve as on 31st March 2018 and debentures to be redeemed out of capital. They were also decided to invest required amount into debenture redemption investment on 30 April 2017. Investment were sold on the date of redemption of debentures and required amount for redemption of debentures were paid to debenture holders. Pass necessary journal entries for issue and redemption of debentures in the books of company and also prepare debenture redemption investment account and debenture redemption reserve account. Answer part. Journal entries of Nupur Limited. 1/4/2013 bank account debit 17,60,000 to 9% debenture application and allotment account 17,60,000 being application money received on 16,000 debentures at rupees 110 per debenture. 1/4/2013 9% debenture application and allotment account debit 17,60,000 to 9% debenture account 16 lakh to security premium reserve account 1,60,000 being application money transferred to debenture account and security premium account. Now 30 April 2017 debenture redemption investment account debit 2,40,000 to bank account 2,40,000 being investment made 15% of the face value of debentures of rupees 16 lakh. 31st March 2018, bank account debit 2,40,000 to debenture redemption investment account 2,40,000 being investment for the redemption of debenture is sold. 31st March 2018, surplus in statement of profit and loss account debit 4 lakh to debenture redemption reserve account 4 lakh being transfer of a profit equal to 25% of the nominal value of debentures issued to debenture redemption reserve account 16 lakh into 25%. 31st March 2018 9% debenture account debit 16 lakh to debenture holder account 16 lakh being amount due on redemption of debenture. 31st March 2018 debenture holders account debit 16 lakh to bank account 16 lakh being due amount paid to debenture holders. 31st March 2018 debenture redemption reserve account debit 4 lakh to general reserve account 4 lakh being after redemption of all debentures amount of debenture redemption reserve account transferred to general reserve account. Now we prepare the debenture redemption investment account. Debit side date, particular journal folio number and amount rupees. These 4 columns are there. And credit side also 4 columns, date, particular journal folio and amount. Now we write the amount 30 April 2017 to bank account and 31st March 2018 by bank account 2,40,000. Debenture redemption reserve account 31st March 2018 to general reserve account 4 lakh and 31st March 2018 by surplus in investment to profit and loss account 4 lakh. Now question number 22. Hiteshi Limited issued 10,011% debentures of rupees 200 each on April 1st 2014 at a premium of 6%, which is redeemable at a premium of 10% on March 31st 2020. According to provisions of Companies Act, the required investment was made in 7% Gujarat state government unencumbered securities on April 30 of the financial year in which redemption is due. For the reduction of debentures, the provision for the money is to be made out of capital. Debentures were redeemed on the due date. Past journal entries for the issue and redemption of debentures. Also prepare debenture redemption investment account and debenture redemption reserve account. Answer part. Journal entries of Hiteshi Limited. 1/4/2014 bank account debit 21,20,000 to 11% debenture application and allotment account 21,20,000. Being application money received on 10,000 debentures at 212 rupees per debenture. 1/4/2014 11% debenture application and allotment account debit 21,20,000. Loss on issue of debenture account debit 2 lakh to 11% debenture account 20 lakh. To security premium reserve account 1,20,000, to premium on redemption of a debenture account 2 lakh. Being transfer to debenture account and security premium account from application money, and also to give an effect of a premium on redemption of a debenture account. 30 April 2019 debenture redemption investment account debit 3 lakh to bank account 3 lakh. Being investment made in 7% Gujarat state government security at the rate of 15% of the face value of debentures, 20 lakh into 15%. 31st March 2020 bank account debit 3 lakh 19,250 to debenture redemption investment account 3 lakh to interest received account 19,250. Being investment for debenture redemption is sold and on this interest received for 11th month at 7%. 31st March 2020 surplus in statement of profit and loss account debit 5 lakh to debenture redemption reserve account 5 lakh. Being 25% of total face value of 20 lakh of debentures transferred to debenture redemption reserve account. 31st March 2020 11% debenture account debit 20 lakh, debenture on redemption of a debenture account debit 2 lakh to debenture holders account 22 lakh. Being amount due for redemption to debenture holders. Just the same entries are there, just we have to write the percentage, change the percentage in each and every sum, but otherwise there is a same journal entries are there. 31st March 2020 debenture holders account debit 22 lakh to bank account 22 lakh. Being payment of amount due to debenture holders. 31st March 2020 debenture redemption reserve account debit 5 lakh to general reserve account 5 lakh. Being transfer amount to debenture redemption reserve to general reserve account after the redemption of a debenture. 31st March 2020 interest received account debit 19,250 to statement of profit and loss account 19,250. Now we prepare the debenture redemption investment account. Debit side 4 column date particular general folio and amount. Credit side 4 column date particular general folio and amount. Here 30 April 2019 to bank account 3 lakh and 31st March 2020 by bank account 3 lakh. Debenture redemption reserve account. Here we have to write the debit side 4 column date particular general folio and amount, and date particular general folio and amount. Credit side 4 columns are there. 31st March 2020 to general reserve account 5 lakh, and credit side 31st March 2020 transfer by surplus in statement of profit and loss account 5 lakh. So this way up to our question number 22 over. Thank you very much.